Recent leaks surrounding the upcoming Redmi Note 15 series have stirred up excitement in the smartphone community, hinting at some significant upgrades over its predecessors. One of the most talked about design changes is the introduction of a metal frame, which marks a shift toward a more premium and durable build, possibly placing the device in closer competition with higher-end mid-range models. While Xiaomi has yet to officially confirm any specifications, rumors suggest that the Redmi Note 15 could include 5G connectivity as a standard across the lineup, ensuring faster network speeds and better future-proofing. What's really grabbing attention, however, are the more ambitious leaks. Some sources speculate that the phone may feature a massive 7,200 mAh battery, potentially offering multi-day usage on a single charge, an ideal feature for heavy users and gamers. Even more surprising are whispers about a 300MP camera sensor, which, if true, would be a groundbreaking leap in smartphone photography, positioning the Note 15 as a serious contender for mobile photographers. Of course, while these claims are exciting, it's important to approach them with skepticism until official announcements are made. Still, the possibility of such high-end features appearing in a budget-friendly series like Redmi Note makes the anticipation for the Note 15 launch all the more intense.